Baked fresh cherry pie, sweet surrender. Get ready for a taste bud explosion, bakers. Today, we're celebrating the sweet, tangy, and oh-so-summery magic of fresh cherries in the ultimate homemade pie. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting your culinary adventure, this recipe is both delicious and incredibly easy to follow. Imagine the flaky, golden crust, the bursting with flavor cherry filling, and a dollop of creamy vanilla ice cream. Heaven in every bite. Let's break down what makes this pie so irresistible. The crust. Flour, 2½ cups all-purpose flour. It provides the structure of our crust. Sugar, 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar for a touch of sweetness. Salt, ½ teaspoon to balance the sweet flavors. Cold butter, 1 cup, 2 sticks, cut into cubes. The key to that flaky, melt in your mouth texture. Ice water, 6 to 8 tablespoons. Just enough to bring the dough together. The cherry magic. Fresh cherries, 6 cups, pitted and halved. Seek out sweet varieties like Bing, or if you enjoy a delightful tartness, opt for sour cherries. Sugar, 3/4 cup granulated sugar. Adjust based on the sweetness of your cherries. Cornstarch, 1/4 cup. This helps to thicken the luscious cherry juices. Lemon juice, 2 tablespoons. Enhances the cherry flavor with a bright, zesty note. Almond extract, ½ teaspoon. Brings a subtle warmth and depth. Butter, 2 tablespoons, cut into small pieces. Adds richness. Egg wash, 1 egg beaten with 1 tablespoon of water for that golden brown crust shine. Let's get baking. The perfect crust, in a large bowl, mix flour, sugar, and salt. Add the cold, cubed butter and cut it into the dry ingredients using a pastry cutter, or your fingertips, until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Slowly add the ice water, 1 tablespoon at a time, until a dough forms that just holds together. Divide the dough in half, flatten each half into discs, wrap in plastic, and chill for at least 30 minutes. Cherry delight. In a separate large bowl, combine pitted cherries, granulated sugar, cornstarch, lemon juice, and almond extract. Set aside and let the flavors mingle for about 15 minutes. Preheat and assemble. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius. Roll out 1 chilled dough disc on a floured surface to a 12-inch circle. Gently place it into a 9-inch pie dish. Pour the cherry mixture into the prepared crust and dot with butter. Roll out the second dough disc, carefully place it over the filling, and crimp the edges to seal in all that cherry goodness. Cut a few slits in the top crust for steam to escape. The finishing touches, brush the top crust with egg wash and sprinkle with coarse sugar for some extra sparkle, optional. Bake to perfection. Pop your pie onto a baking sheet to catch any potential drips. Bake for 15 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, then reduce the heat to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, and bake for an additional 40 to 45 minutes, or until the crust is a gorgeous golden brown and the filling is bubbly. Patience is key. This is the hardest part. Let your pie cool on a wire rack for at least 3 to 4 hours to allow the filling to thicken. The best things in life take time, and taste amazing. Your patience will be rewarded with a pie that is truly a slice of perfection. The warm, gooey cherries, the exquisitely flaky crust, and a scoop of creamy vanilla ice cream. Are you drooling yet? If you love cherry pie, and who doesn't, this recipe is a must-try. Remember, baking is all about having fun and savoring the moments in your kitchen. Get creative and share your cherry pie creations. Want more baking inspiration and exciting recipes? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for delicious adventures that are sure to make your kitchen the happiest place in your home.